Hello guys! Oh my gosh, I look very orange. I just got a spray tan like an hour ago. This is what I'm gonna look like in this video, so don't mind me. Today we're doing a closet, apartment, in general, clothing clean out because I have so much stuff that is just overflowing everywhere. So I'm currently in my living room. This is what the floor of my living room looks like because there's just so much stuff. I can't fit in my closet. I live in New York City and there's not a lot of room. And then this giant suitcase, as you can see, it's like maxed out, is also full to the brim with stuff. So we need to go through that and then head over to this part of the house. We've got a bunch of coats. I'm going home today to my parents' house, so I'm hoping I can bring a few of these home and keep them there for storage because this is really bad. And it's also really bad because we have this thing over here too that is also full of clothes. I have like some ski stuff, my snow boots. And then over here I have this that is full of shoes. And then in the bedroom, this is the closet that me and Drew share. As you can see, my side is just like a big clutter. And we need to go through this, the shoes down there. We need to do everything. So let's get started. I'm thinking I should get started with this suitcase because I'm gonna need this to pack up my stuff to go home. So I need to get everything out of here, and then what I'm bringing back in. I'm really scared, guys. I don't know if you guys can fully see, but this side of the suitcase is filled with stuff that I have listed on pickle and is not in my like active wardrobe, so I've just been keeping it on here. And then also, I forgot to mention, I'll have all my pickle stuff obviously on pickle in the description, and everything I'm gonna be selling, which I'll let you guys know when I'm selling, is on my Poshmark, which is also linked down below. And then this side of the suitcase I have filled with a million shoes, and I'm pretty sure I put these in here because I want to bring them home. There's also some things in here that I had saved like for when we're in the more summery vibe, which I don't know if we've entered yet. We are in May, but it's been like, we have like a week of hot and then it got cold again. I think next week's gonna be hot. I think this is appropriate enough to put back into my closet wardrobe, so I'm gonna do that. This like long cardigan I bought while I was in London. I thought it would be good for like a beach cover up. I'm gonna keep this with our summery clothes for now. I have a ton of fun dresses on my pickle, guys. If you need something to wear to an event, you can rent them out. Okay, my leather jacket, I feel like I can bring this home until it's colder again. I don't really need this here. This little Ghani vest, somebody already bought from me on Poshmark, so I need to ship this out. This skirt I got last year from Princess Polly and I never ended up wearing it, so I put this one on my Poshmark already. Same with this little Addicted crochet skirt. I think it's so cute, but it just doesn't fit me right, so this one is on Poshmark too. This Ghani beret, definitely very wintry, bringing this home for storage. Guys, this I'm so sad about. I think it's the cutest skirt ever. It's too small on me and it's like not returnable, so I have this both on pickle and Poshmark. I also totally have this stuff in here like not folded. I need to do a better job of that because I could probably fit more if it was in there neater. House of CB feathery coat, definitely very wintry as well. We're gonna bring this to my parents' house for storage. These sweatpants are so fun. They're from the same brand as that orange skirt. Have these on my Poshmark too already. And then this dress, I don't really know why I had it in here, but I think I'm gonna add this back into my main closet. I think this would be really cute for summer with some cowboy boots. And now the first side of the suitcase is empty, guys. We're making some progress. Okay, I'm getting started with some of the stuff that was on the other side. This box is just extra PR that I'm not using, that I'm gonna bring for my mom and my sisters to look through. I could just put this box in the suitcase. I feel like I'm gonna just do that. I feel like it's safer in here than in a bag. I'm actually gonna tape this up. Okay, another pile of stuff to look through. So this little cardigan I had brought back that I was wearing like last spring, summer, and I put it on yesterday to wear and I was like, wait, suddenly I don't want it anymore. So I'm bringing that back home. This sweat set is like pretty thick, so I'm gonna bring this back until we have colder weather again. There's a lot of wintry stuff I need to bring back and it's taking up a lot of room in this suitcase. Another thing, this like pink Sherpa is definitely too hot for this now. And this takes up like a whole quarter of the suitcase. Like the sweat set and the pink thing are like taking up all the room. And then these shoes, Dolce Vita sent them to me and they're so cute, but I just feel like my mom is gonna be literally obsessed with these. So I'm gonna bring these for her. Okay, this box can go in the trash. This is like a little leather skirt. I actually am obsessed with this, but again, very wintry vibes. Putting it away for the summer. This random mug, I have like a million of these. And I feel like I'm just gonna donate this to my parents. Maybe my dad wants it. I feel like he uses this for work. So it's like the goodie bag from an event I went to last night. I already have one of these actually. So I'm gonna give this away as well. I did a brand deal, or I'm doing a brand deal with Hello Molly. And this is one of the dresses they sent me for like one of the shoots we had. And they sent me in 2 sizes. So I'm gonna see if maybe my sister wants the other one. These jeans from Rolas I never wear, so I have these on Poshmark and I'm gonna leave them at my house. They're new with tags. It's nice because my mom kind of just does my Poshmarking for me whenever I need stuff shipped out, so it's okay that I'm leaving them at home. This set I'm actually kind of sad about. I got it at a sample sale. It's from the brand La Pointe. They were having like an employee, like friends and family sample sale, and this stuff is worth like over $1,000. And I got it for like actually 30 bucks. I've had it sitting in my closet for so long. It's like a pair of trousers. There's a matching yellow top. It sat in my closet for so long. I thought I was gonna wear it, but now I'm realizing I'm probably just never gonna wear it. So I need to put it on Poshmark or something, but it's hard to get a good photo of it that like does it justice. So if you're interested in that yellow set, DM me or something, we can chat. And then I have 2 pairs of leather pants that I obviously am not wearing in the summertime, so we're gonna bring those as well. Then I've got a few boxes. This is some stuff that I just ordered from ASOS and it came yesterday, and I didn't have enough time yesterday to put it all away, so I need to put this in my closet. Look how freaking cute this little t-shirt is. Little rodeo t-shirt. I also got this black maxi dress. I feel like it'll probably be hard to see on camera, but this is so cute. I think it'll be such a fun summer dress with a pair of cowboy boots. And I got this little shell bag. So this, I was seeing a bag similar to this on Revolve that was like $300 and I was about to buy it. I randomly found this one on ASOS, which I feel like is so cute too. Same kind of vibe, and it was way cheaper. And then I got a really stunning dress. It's like sequin and it has like half the butterfly on the front and then all open back and the other half of the butterfly on the back. I'm literally obsessed with this, but it's a little short, so I'm gonna exchange it for 1 size up. So I need to ship this out today. I'm gonna put all my like need to ship out over here. And I have another box full of stuff from Amazon that I need to go through and put away. Cowgirl hat. Literally obsessed with this. This is such a cute summer like beach cover up. It's maxi all the way to the ground. I love the blue, and then the back is like a scoop low back. I think this is gonna be so cute over a bathing suit. And then also like imagine that with the cowgirl hat. Obsessed. I also got a bunch of different clothes. And then this is just full of bathing suits. I did an Amazon live where I ordered a bunch of bathing suits from Amazon to test out on the live. I would say probably, actually, I already put away the ones that I liked. So I know these ones are just the ones I'm gonna send back because I didn't really like how they looked on me. I need to put those all back in like their individual baggies so I can return them to Amazon. A bunch of other cute clothes from Amazon too. And I have this all in my storefront in my bio if you guys want to look at anything. I love this white dress. This one's just like a plain little tank. This one's like a really fun maxi dress. I tried this one on TikTok if you want to go see how it looks. But I love the hot pink color of it. I've got everything in like either pink or blue. I feel like that's apparently my vibe right now. I have this in black and it's just like the perfect going out top, and you don't need to wear a bra with it. It's like double lined and very thick. This one is so freaking cute. It has little roses on it. I love the ruffles in this color. And then another blue top. I have this one in green. and I just like this color, I feel like even better. And it's a good like summer lightweight crop top for going out. I got one of these necklaces that like wrap around and have the big charm. I liked that the string was white. This ruffly pink dress is literally so fun. I'm obsessed with this one. Lastly, this little red one I think is so fun and cute and just easy to throw on. I have red cowboy boots. I think this would look really cute with. Okay, then I have a bunch of random baggies for my returns. And I've gone through pretty much the whole living room stuff that's been sitting out here except these boots I need to bring home. See if I can fit these in the shoe part of the suitcase, and then after that I think I'm like fully done. In here there's no room. Actually, these I'm not bringing home, so these can come out of the suitcase. I'm selling these on Poshmark if anybody's interested. They're so freaking cute. They're never worn pink cowboy boots, but they like don't fit my calf correctly. I feel like they look weird on me. So, and then the rest of the shoes I have in here are like wintry shoes. These are like so dusty. I don't know why. Ugh. Okay. I also am selling this little stout bag on my Poshmark, I think. If it's not already there, I'll add it. I have this in like another pattern too, and I just gravitate towards that one more than this one, and I feel like I don't really need two of them. So we're gonna get rid of this. I need to put this stuff back away in my closet. I'm realizing I wanted to pack, actually I have my mini suitcase that I'm gonna pack stuff for my sister's graduation. I'm going to my sister's graduation this weekend, so I need to pack my outfits and my makeup in there, and then I'm gonna try to shove as many of the coats from the coat closet in there as I can. Guys, am I okay? I just realized I also have so much stuff stuffed in here that I either need to bring home or put on Poshmark. These dunks I feel like are just winter dunks. I don't like wearing the high tops with not long pants because it makes my ankles look weird, so I need to bring these home next fall. A couple more boots that I'm probably not gonna wear over the summer. Some more boots. These leather pants. I thought I'd wear them this fall, winter, and I never wore them, so I'm gonna add these to Poshmark. Two like fake leather things next to each other, and the color rubs off. Does anybody know how to get that out? Because if you do, that would be so much appreciated if you could leave it in my comment section. These sandals are just like very Christmas time vibes. Bring those home till then. Some more leather shorts. I recently got a new jewelry case, so I'm gonna bring this home and keep it in my room at home, or maybe one of my sisters or my mom wants it. This set, although it's very colorful, it is so thick, so I cannot be wearing that when it's hot outside. And then we've got some more like leather leggings, also need to go home. Knit pants. Apparently I stuffed all my winter clothes in this little cabinet. I don't know if it's just a me thing, but like my dark workout sets, black is fine, but like brown, like very fall-ish colors, I can't wear them in the summer. And same thing with the winter, like my really bright ones, I can't wear them in the winter. Maybe I'm crazy, so I'm gonna swap those out. Okay, we've moved to the closet. I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear to my sister's graduation, and then I'm gonna look through this. I honestly think this is all stuff I want to keep because I've been like going through it periodically. So yeah, I'm just gonna figure out what I want to wear to the graduation. So at first I wanted to do this like long feathery dress, but my sister said it might be too dramatic. So I've changed my mind. I'm gonna wear this little sparkly blazer with a pair of jeans. I think that would be cute, and I've worn this outfit before and I know it looks good and everything, so I think that's a safe bet. It brings a little bit drama, but nothing crazy. We're going out with the girls, the college girls, that night after graduation, so I need like a going out top. I'll probably wear the same jeans for like both events, so I don't need to pack two different pairs, but I'm thinking maybe this little top for going out to the bar purposes. And then now, this is where I keep all my pants. I feel like I should get those like clear dividers, kind of make it more easy on my end, because this is like my jeans and like my pants. This is like comfy pants. And then over here I have pajamas, and then like that's Drew's random stuff. So yeah, I don't know why this pile is like so big compared to the rest, but I feel like I need to order those clear dividers on Amazon. Now I'm just gonna pick a pair of jeans from this pile that I want to bring. wearing. I'm thinking these girlfriend jeans, they're like a little bit wide leg. I feel like they're perfect for both purposes. I'm hiding this. This is dirty laundry I need to put in my hamper, but I need to pack this little suitcase with everything I can. And then I have a duffel bag too, like a small one. I'll probably put some stuff in because you know what? Why not? This is very quickly turned from a clean out my closet video to a pack with me, but hopefully that's okay with you guys. I'm realizing in my shoe area, I have like these 2 pairs of boots I can easily bring home. I have been wearing these a lot this month, but I think they're like perfect for that going out outfit, and then these will be for the daytime outfit, and these are both things like I'm probably not going to be needing much going forward, so it's good. Then I can just offload them at home after I'm done wearing them. I'm kind of feeling like this suitcase I should just fill with like as many of the coats from the coat closet as I can, and then my graduation stuff over here and my like makeup bag I'm just gonna put in my like duffel travel tote. I forgot I also had this pile of stuff that I need to bring home that I took out already. I feel like everything's just coming out of the woodwork. I'm gonna try to stuff this in here and then see what we can do about the coats. Okay, I'm starting with 2 and seeing where things go. This one is pretty thick and it can't be like suctioned down like the puffers. Oh god, this is gonna end up taking up the whole thing. I feel like I could squeeze one more puffer coat in here with it. This is so tragic, guys. Once I like zipper it in, I feel like it will stay. And this honestly cleared out like a good little section of the closet. And then hopefully next time I go home, I'll be able to bring the rest because I don't really have any other winter stuff that will take up that much space in my suitcase like I did this time, besides the coats and the 2 pairs of moon boots and the ski helmet. So I guess those will be next time. Oh my god, I did it. Yay! I honestly feel like I could fit like one more thin one on this side. Okay, I'm gonna try for this wool coat to go on that side. It's also nice because getting rid of these coats is freeing up some hangers that I can use in my closet because I do need some extra ones. I think we're good here. Need to buckle her up. Come on. Every time I leave, I like end up doing this to just like offload because like, I get so many packages. I'm coming down here to that. I get so many packages. So things are always coming in and out, and then I ended up having like hoarding a million things. So yeah, every time I go home, I end up with like a million suitcases. My doorman probably thinks I'm literally insane that I'm leaving with that much stuff. We did it! I'm gonna look like an absolute crazy person going to Grand Central with all this stuff, but I'm so happy to be getting this out of the house. Are you happy? I've cleaned up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Reminder, I have Poshmark, Pickle, literally everything you can think of linked in the description box if you want to look at them. Also my Insta and my TikTok if you want to follow me on there. And I'll see you guys in my next video.